friends, I'm Hina Kaul from Zrix.com, and today we will be showcasing you a brand new project from Trihan Group, which is Iris Broadway. This project is strategically located in Sector 85 and 86, New Gurgaon, building over a legacy of 70 years since 1950 in construction industry. Trihan Iris has delivered successful projects to government like Safdarjung Airport, Supreme Court, Tihar Jail, Antariksh Bhavan, PwC headquarters and many more. They have also delivered 100+ successful projects in and across Delhi NCR like Iris Tech Park in Sector 48 Sona Road. Trihan Group presents its latest marvel, Iris Broadway. Iris Broadway is a landmark that blends luxury, opportunity and growth. This isn't just a mall, it is a revolution in retail industry. Trihan Iris Broadway gives you an opportunity to invest in this pre-lease, ready-to-move commercial shop where you are getting guaranteed returns from day one, and this pre-lease is for 18 years. So if you invest in this commercial shops, you're gonna get the rental income from day one. You just have to register the deeds. Iris Broadway is strategically located in Sector 85, 86, New Gurgaon, with easy connectivity to major highways like NH48, Delhi-Jaipur, Dwarka Expressway. These all are just 5 minutes drive from Iris Broadway. Your international airport is just 25 minutes away from here, and your golf course extension road is just 15 minutes drive. And if you talk about the schools, we have major schools in the vicinity like Xavier's, DPS, RPS, and many more. And if you talk about the hospitals, the major hospitals in the vicinities are Apollo, Medicity, Artemis, and many more. Iris Broadway is spread across 2.8 acres with 1,000 square feet frontage. This mall is divided into 3 blocks A, B and C, and it is meticulously designed to captivate over 8 lakh visitors in the mall every month. Trihan Iris Broadway has given 3-level parking in Block A for comfort and convenience of the visitors coming to this mall. Trihan Iris Broadway gives you an opportunity to invest in 45+ operational national and international brands like Samsung, Apple, Chaos, Sevi, Haldiram's, House of Wok, Wow Momos, then toys from Rowan, Firefox, Rangriti, Monte Carlo, Baby Hug, Home for You. Then you have skin brands also like Uncover, where you can come for your hair and laser needs. Then you have on the upper ground floor Reliance Smart, and you won't believe most of the people are gonna come here for their daily errands to Reliance Smart Superstore. So imagine the kind of footfall you are gonna get here in Iris Broadway. To cater to your F&B and entertainment needs, they have a brands like 5-screen Inox Cinemas on 2nd floor. For your kids, they have Cosmic Kingdom on 2nd floor. And for F&B, you have Pizza Hut, you have Beer Cafe, and then for kids, you have Mr. DIY. Imagine you are a landlord and your tenants would be Starbucks, Apple, Samsung, Chroma, Reliance. Now we are standing in Block B of Trihan Iris Group, where you can see on the lower ground floor we have Modern Bazaar, on level 1 we have Starbucks, we have HDFC Bank. This block basically caters to all F&B, and if you can see up, we have Kareem's, we have Gola Sizzlers, we have Sector 85 Social, we also have the Barbecue Company, we have McDonald's, Pizza Hut, KFC, you name it. That F&B outlet you're gonna get in this B block of Trihan Iris Group. Another F&B brands in Block B of Trihan Iris Broadway, you will get Daryaganj, Domino's and many more. Trihan Iris Broadway isn't just an address, it's an opportunity. The investors who have chosen Trihan Iris Broadway call it the smartest decision of their life. Opposite A and B block is Block C of Trihan Iris Broadway, which is located on 84-meter wide road, and on Block C you will get a very famous electric brand Chroma. And as I told you that this Block 2 is getting a footfall of 8 lakh visitors per month. So this is yet another lucrative investment opportunity which will guarantee you capital appreciation. So why to wait when Trihan Iris Group gives you a guaranteed growth with income today? So call us on the numbers flashing below and we will give you more details about this hottest commercial project. Thank you for watching Zrix.com. Have a lovely day. Be kind and be humble and spread happiness.